Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new GAC GS5. Prepare to be amazed by its powerful performance, comfortable interior, and advanced technology. The GS5 is equipped with a powerful GAC motor 270 engine that delivers a maximum power of 124 kilowatts and torque of 265 Newton-meters. Combined with an ICE and 6-speed automatic manual transmission and the Conqueror chassis, this SUV offers exceptional performance and a confident driving experience. Feast your eyes on the GS5's striking exterior design. With its modern and sporty appeal, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, and connected LED tail lights, this SUV stands out on the road. Step inside the GS5, and you'll find a spacious and well-equipped cabin designed for your comfort and convenience. Experience features like a 10.1-inch central control HD touchscreen, a 12.3-inch full LCD dashboard, and a split armrest design that enhances your driving pleasure. The rear seats offer an ultra-long wheelbase, a completely flat floor, and ample legroom for a truly enjoyable journey. Safety is a top priority in the GS5. It comes equipped with front dual airbags, ESP, HBA, HDC, HHC, and an electronic parking brake with auto hold. Rest assured that the GS5 is designed to protect you and your loved ones on every drive. The GS5 embraces cutting-edge technology to enhance your driving experience. Enjoy features such as Bluetooth hands-free phone system, wireless phone charging, speed-based volume adjustment, PEPS system, and cruise control. Stay connected and entertained while on the road. That concludes our in-depth look at the all-new GAC GS5. It's an SUV that combines power, comfort, and intelligent technology seamlessly. If you're seeking a vehicle that offers impressive performance, a spacious cabin, and advanced features, the GS5 is the perfect choice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest automotive news and trends. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Experience power, comfort, and intelligent technology with the all-new GAC GS5.